Here are 3 things you should know about OBA in a simple, clear, and engaging way. First, OBA is a proven online learning and earning platform. Dito, tinutulungan ang mga beginners na matutong mag-start ng online business even without any experience. May step-by-step na modules of trainings, well-guided, and of course, merong mentorship na para hindi ka maligaw. Second, may supported community and coaches. Hindi ka mag-isa. May coaches, may partner, at may successful leaders na gagabay sa'yo from learning the basic up to building your own team para kang may pamilya sa negosyo. Third, skills-based and result-driven. OBA focuses on a real online marketing skills tulad ng content creation, social media marketing, branding, and team building. Ito yung mga skills na magagamit mo long term. So, kung gusto mo makapag-start ng sarili mong online business, mag-comment ka ng how sa baba ng video na ito or i-follow mo ako. Once you are done, see you in the comment section.